I'm going to show you how you can link your old account in Asphalt 9. Now on Asphalt 9 from the home screen here, all you have to do is that you have to go to the gear icon up here. Now on the gear icon here, you'll see an option called Gameloft Connect. Now on Gameloft Connect, you'll see an option called Connect here on this button. Now on this Connect button, you can see you can now link an account or link account with code here as well, right? You can see there's a couple of things we can connect like on Facebook, Gameloft or Apple IT. You can also link an account with code. You can also unlink your account if you'd like. Now, if you want to link your old account, all you have to do is you have to log in with whatever login method you used to have back then and then link your account with that. So if your old account was linked with Facebook, then go to Facebook and link it with that. You can also link account with code here, for example. Now you can see you can run the game on both platform. You can input the code. If you want to generate the code, just tap on generate the code. Now you can see this is what it looks like. You're linking code. Now you can input the code on here. So just input the code on your another device. If you want to do that, you can. But I do recommend just linking it from a game of Apple ID or Facebook account. So just Facebook, for example, tap on connect, tap on continue, and then it'll link on your Facebook. And then whatever Facebook one you have, you'll link automatically. And then your broadcast should be synced along with it as well.